Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Chut Akila.
Okay, good, Cud Akila. Okay, Cud Akila, would you like to tell me what is this? Apa ini?
Table.
Table, good. What is this?
Chair.
Chair, good. What is this? Jendela bahasa Inggrisnya?
Window.
Oke, pintu.
Door.
Oke, good. Kalau buku?
Book.
Good. Pensil?
Pencil.
Kipas?
Vase.
Fan.
Fan.
Oke, kalau papan tulis?
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard, good. What color is this?
Red.
Red. What color is this?
Black.
This?
Orange.
Okay. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple, good. Okay, what day is today?
Today is Monday.
Masya Allah, very good. Thank you, Cud Akila. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Askia.
Masya Allah. Okay, Askia. What color is this? Warna apa ini?
Red.
Red, Masya Allah. What color is this?
Black.
Okay, what color is this?
White.
White, okay, Masya Allah. Okay, meja bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya?
Table.
Table, okay. Ini apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Chair.
Chair, Masya Allah. Kalau jendela apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Window.
Window, okay. What day is today?
Today is Sunday.
No, Sunday Minggu. Kalau hari ini hari Senin apa ya?
Monday.
Monday, Masya Allah. Oke, kalau kucing bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya, Kak?
Cat.
Cat, Masya Allah. Kelinci?
Bunny.
Bunny. Kalau kipas angin?
Fan.
Fan, oke. Kalau pintu?
Door.
Masya Allah. Jendela?
Window.
Window, oke. Thank you, Kak Aska.